Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with Wix and want to speed up your website design, today's tutorial is going to be really valuable for you. I'm going to show you how to duplicate sections in the Wix editor, which is a super handy little trick. By the end of this video, you'll be able to swiftly copy whole sections. Maybe you want to reuse a layout or keep a consistent style throughout your pages. It's going to save you tons of time and effort, so let's dive right in. Okay, so first things first, go ahead and open up your website inside the Wix editor. Now take a look at your homepage or wherever you like to duplicate a section. Let's say you've designed a great testimonial area or a feature section that you want to appear elsewhere. Instead of rebuilding it, you can duplicate it in just a few clicks. Now, the quickest and most straightforward way to duplicate a section is by simply right-clicking directly on the section you want to copy. Right-clicking is going to reveal a little context menu. That's the pop-up with extra options, and within that menu you'll see an option called Duplicate. Just give that a click, and Wix will instantly create a copy of that entire section, including all the text, images, layouts, and settings. You'll see the duplicated section appear right below the original, usually with a slight highlight or outline so you know it's new. This is especially helpful if you're building a long page with repeating blocks. It's just like using a copy machine for your web page. No need to reinvent the wheel each time you want to use that section's design. But there's also an even faster way for those of you who love keyboard shortcuts. If you select the section just left, click it once so it's highlighted, and then tap Ctrl+D on your keyboard, you'll get the same result. A duplicate section instantly pops in underneath. If you're on a Mac, remember it's Command+D instead. Keyboard shortcuts might feel a little unfamiliar at first, but they save so much time in the long run, so give it a try. Now let's say you want to duplicate a section, but place it somewhere else on your page, or even on a different page of your site. You can also use the traditional copy and paste methods. Here, how you do it. Click once to select the section you want to copy, then either right-click it and select Copy, or simply hit Ctrl+C once copied, scroll to where you want the new section to go. You can either click into a different spot on the same page or navigate to a new page altogether. Then right-click where you want to insert it and choose Paste, or just use Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The section appears exactly where you paste it, preserving all the original content and formatting. Don't worry if it doesn't show up just right away. Sometimes it takes a second for the editor to process the paste, especially if your site is a bit large or your computer is working hard. And if you accidentally paste it in the wrong spot, just drag it into the right position. Wix is pretty forgiving that way, so that's all there is to it. Whether you use the right-click menu, keyboard shortcuts, or the classic copy and paste, duplicating sections in Wix is straightforward and really boosts your productivity. Take a moment to play around with both methods and see which feels faster or more natural for you. And remember, don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo any accidental duplicates using Ctrl+Z. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more Wix tips. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest tutorials. Happy designing, and I'll see you next time.